Former U.S. President Donald Trump has threatened strong measures regarding drug prices and manufacturing. He also announced a blanket ban on federal funding for enhanced research related to the COVID-19 origin controversy.
On the 5th local time, President Trump signed an executive order at the White House to promote pharmaceutical manufacturing and announced that he would announce a policy on imposing tariffs on pharmaceuticals within 2 weeks. Former President Trump said, "We are being unfairly ripped off all over the world," and cited the issue of pharmaceutical prices as a representative example of the unfairness that the American people have suffered for a long time. He then emphasized, "I will make a major announcement regarding pharmaceutical prices next week," and indicated that this would not be a simple political gesture, but would lead to specific measures. At the same event, President Trump also instructed the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, to streamline the approval process required to establish domestic pharmaceutical plants. The Environmental Protection Agency (EPA) also received the same order and must expedite the related environmental approval process. The details of the executive order include increasing inspection fees for overseas pharmaceutical manufacturing facilities, improving the reporting system for the source of active ingredients for foreign pharmaceutical companies, and reviewing the disclosure of a list of non-compliant facilities. This is intended to revitalize the pharmaceutical industry in the United States and reduce dependence on global pharmaceuticals. Former President Trump recently ordered the Department of Commerce to investigate how pharmaceutical imports affect national security, based on Section 232 of the Trade Expansion Act. This has often been used as a legal basis for imposing tariffs on foreign imports. Meanwhile, former President Trump also signed another executive order on the same day to completely ban federal funding for gain-of-function research. This research is an experiment to modify pathogens such as viruses to make them stronger, and it has been a subject of great controversy due to research on mutant viruses and the theory that COVID-19 originated from a Chinese laboratory. Former President Trump emphasized the importance of national biological security, along with the risks of gain-of-function research, saying, "This measure could have helped prevent the problems we have had in the past." Strict management will be implemented to ensure that U.S. federal funding is never provided for such research conducted overseas.
From drug pricing to regulating biological research, former President Trump's dual executive orders are interpreted as a symbolic message aimed at the economy, health, and national security at the same time.